Yo guys, let's go. I'm going to do an analysis of MUNCH token. Not sure what is it about, but it doesn't matter. Let's have a look and see what's going on with this coin. I can see it going pretty well on social media, so it seems like people are well interested into this. So why not looking at the chart and do a quick analysis using the Ichimoku, because best indicator in the market to find out what's going on in the future. I'm on a daily time frame. I can see that we have a cloud here. It's just started to form, which is a good news. It didn't before because the coin is fairly new, but now it's forming, and you can see that there is a big period here of indecision, like people were undecided, not decided to buy or to sell. The price quite flat, which is what we can see here. But then now we have a twist here, and the formation of more like people are well more deciding on buying or selling. So we can see a boost that's going to happen around this area again on the 4th of September. At the moment, that's all we can see here on a daily from the Ichimoku cloud. But we can see that our Tenkan is on the bottom, is under our candle. So if we reverse down here, we will have some resistance here at 0.00849. And then we got our Kijun a bit even lower, which is also another resistance. So if we start to go down this area, we should have a push up happening. Now let's see on a 4 hours time frame. We should see a cloud, so we can see this cloud. All right, so we can tell that we get above it, and our Tenkan and Kijun clearly went above it, so it should keep going on that way. We start to enter right now on this last candle, this 4 hours candle, but this candle will be completed in about less than 2 hours, and hopefully we close above. So what's going to happen if we close above but we enter the cloud, then we might have the next candle also into it and follow down the cloud here. We could be following here because we are already under our Kijun and Tenkan. So we might follow down here, but we have resistance through the cloud. So if we go down, we're not going lower than 0.00979. Okay, and then it's gonna push up here. So around in about by tomorrow, it's going like, let's say about 12 hours. Within 12 hours, we start to go bullish again around this area and up to at a minimum of lot of 0.1110. Then, of course, don't forget that we still have our candles. They went up to this high, so we go back to this place also when we will be here. We will probably going back to this level of price. Let's see if we can trace a quick trend line. Hop, let me do that for you guys. I'm using this magnet here. Right click, setting, extend red line. All right, so we can see our level of resistance through this trend line. So we need to consider it, because as soon as you're going to see the chart playing it, so it's called testing the trend line and going above, then you can expect it to go bullish even more. All right, so that's important to know. When you look at the cloud here on a 4 hours timeline, also we can see we have an SSB here on our cloud, and this is creating a resistance. So if we cross the chart down, we know that around here it's going to reverse and go higher. So it's important to look at it. What else we can see? We got another trend line here. So let's place it up to this one. You can see we are on it. So now we have resistance. We are on the area of resistance. So if we keep playing bullish as it is, we will go up around here. And you can see that the first forming green candle, normally they are green in your graphic. I put them white because it's more visual, but it's positive, so it's like going up. So that's good. We can see this. Let's go on a 1 hour time frame for those who are more often betting, trading on a lower time frame, on a short time. We can see we are on this trend line still, and we have here a twist. So when we have a twist, once we arrive around this area, which is in about 5 hours, we will be dragged into it and take up. So that's when our chart might go up again, and that's exactly where it should happen. So watch out around this area. You can see it happen here also on this twist here. It happened here and here as well. You see, we straight up go up. So now we were lower here, low on the lower than our twist, and then we went up into it. So that's what you can expect to happen around this area and up to here to our trend line. Lot of 0, 12, 19. Okay, guys. So that's why we're using the Ichimoku, because it helps us to kind of know what's going to happen with our pricing and see where are our resistances. We can see resistance through the cloud and also through our Kijun here and Tenkan here. That's level of resistance. It's where you know you can short or long. So that's very important. If you want to know more about Ichimoku, you can watch other of my videos. I do some longer analysis every week about Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is what drag all the price up or down. It's very important to don't forget about Bitcoin. It's what makes the price with all the altcoins. So including MUNCH, even if it's a fairly new token, this is also under the influence of Bitcoin. Okay, guys, and like and subscribe. Put a small comment. If you want to say that you don't like my accent, perfect, do it. Put a thumbnail, red thumbnail or a blue one. As long as you do something on my videos, it's cool for me. It helps. I'm making these videos for free, so if you could just participate a bit by having a reaction or insulting me, whatever, I don't give a shit. But just do something. Alright, guys, I'll see you later. Put you some music when I leave. If it starts, as you can hear, this sound I make it myself. So also just for the sound, you should like my video and subscribe. Okay, guys, see you. Cheers, bye bye.